Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hancock County, central Georgia, northern Washington County, central Georgia, northwestern Jefferson County, central Georgia, GLASCOCK County, central Georgia, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of DEEPSTEP, or 9 miles east of Milledgeville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Yeah, but I'm in for a long night.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
I'm gonna watch this storm in southeast Georgia with great interest.
Stapleton, Avera, Mitchell, DEEPSTEP, Edge Hill, Worthing, Stapleton's Crossroads, Downs, Beulah, Hamburg State Park, Linton, Grange, and Agricola. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet US your reported incident.
That's definitely a supercell. That's definitely a supercell.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Emmanuel County.
Alright, let me tell you the difference between Sunday's event and this one. Sunday's event was a squall line. These are just individualized supercell thunderstorms. These will be capable of producing all types of severe weather, like the National Weather Service was hinting about.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact.
Charleston's watching this with very interested.
Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Twin City, Gilmore, Garfield, George L. Smith.
Higher cloud and the angle kind of spreading out like that, kind of like a rocket stream out.
So we got bird wings coming in there.
Just blocking that flow essentially, but it's definitely got more of a supercell structure, so we'll need to keep a very close eye on that. And that cell is going to be dropping down to the southeastern. Sorry, let me just move this forward a little bit, and we'll time this out down into the Savannah area. So that'll be getting down into Savannah likely about 9:23, cool at 9:06, and then Hilton Head Island at 9:45, and could very well still be going strong by the time it gets down. And if you haven't been Hilton Head here, we can